Hey guys, it's the Average Joe here, and we did it. We're at 20 subscribers. It might not seem big or a lot, when you look at the overall big picture of YouTube and how major it is, but for me, it's a big achievement, and I'm thankful for you guys for subscribing. So, as promised, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I will have the info for that at the end of the video. So please stay tuned. I have today the AirTags, and I'm going to unbox them for you, show you the case that I got for them, and kind of show you what they're about. So, AirTag is Apple's kind of venture into trackable tech. They a month or two ago they opened up their Find My network to third-party companies. So now there is an e-bike out there that is compatible with the Find My network. Chipolo made a tracker similar to this that is compatible with the Find My network. So I feel like they're using this as a way to push their Find My network more than they are to push these kind of trackers. So as far as the different types of trackers they'll make, I don't think they'll make that many. Like, I think this will be the only one they'll use for the time being, because, yeah, again, like I said, it's more about the Find My network. So I'm gonna unbox this, show you the case that I got for them, and just another thing, I did pre-order the iPad Pro 12.9 inch this morning at 8 a.m. I was pretty much right there on the dot waiting, and I was able to get my order in, so I should be getting my iPad Pro on May 21st. So if you want to see an unboxing of that, please subscribe and hit that bell notification. Also, guys, thanks again for 20 subs. So here we go. Let's unbox this. So we have the box right here. This is the back. This is a little thing here with the 4-pack. Got this for about $100 after tax, maybe a little more. There's a pull tab here, just like every other Apple product these days. You just pull that, and you want to open it up from the bottom here. Get my finger, there we go. And I'm gonna pull this out, and we are met with this, the AirTags. So on the inside we have some paperwork here about the AirTags, some safety and handling, and the information about the battery and whatnot, and it takes the CR2032. I'm so glad that these are replaceable batteries, that they're not one and done products, and how to open it as well. So I'm gonna put that off to the side, because this is what you guys are here for. So as we open it up, we are met with the AirTags, right? There's 4 of them. These look amazing. Right, my phone is on actually iOS 14.6 beta 1, so I shouldn't have an issue setting these up. So there is a 4-pack here. So I'm going to be using one for my keys. I'm going to give one to my wife, and the other 2 I'm going to probably find somewhere else to stick them, maybe on my TV remote or something like that. But anyway, let's give it a shot, shall we? So I'm going to unlock my phone. So we have my phone right there, and I'm going to pull the first one out. Let's just get all these out of the way, and get my phone right there. Yeah, and then we have this. So we're gonna pull this tab right here. You see that tab? And pull that to expose this. Wow, this is super shiny. I'm so glad I got a skin, because this thing is gonna bother me like crazy. And I believe that the moment we pull this tab, it will activate the AirTag, because this will connect the battery to the sensor. So let's do that. Made that noise. I've been told right there. There we go. Got the setup going. Connect. I'm going to put this towards my keys. Connect. and hit continue to register. It's setting up. There we go. Got my thing all set up. Hit the view, find my app, and then you'll see my keys right there. You can play a sound. Stop the sound. And if you hit the find button here, you'll see that it'll find it. I'm 0.23 feet away. It's vibrating like crazy because it knows I'm close by. And it says right, I'm here. Okay. So you're gonna close out of that. And now I'm gonna show you guys the case that I got. It is this silicone holder for the AirTags. It's a very simple generic thing, and I'm gonna show you why I got this one over the Nomad case and whatnot. So as we open this, got this carabiner thing, which I was never really a fan of. There are two of them in here. So I'm gonna put my phone away. Got this carabiners, got this, yeah, it's a contact thing for struggling to get the AirTag in there. So you can get that out of the picture. Move these away. And yeah, this thing it's a good size. It's cute, small. This is not gonna go in a wallet though. Your wallet is gonna bulge. That's 100% sure for sure. And look at those fingerprints. Oh, anyway, so if you wanna remove it, you just wanna push down on the silver part and twist it to the left, and that will pop this open. You can pop the battery out. And when you wanna close it up again, there are these little prongs that you see right there. There's 3 of them. You wanna match them up to these 3 holes right here and twist. Twist it back into place to lock it. There we go. And it made that noise to let you know that it's turned on. So let's get back to that. This is a 2-pack. One for me, one for my wife. And this is it. It's a very simple silicone case. So basically what you're gonna do is you're going to kind of put this in and kind of stretch it and massage it around. Massage the AirTag in, and it is in. There you go. And this is why I got this one compared to the other ones with like that are attached to the silver key ring and whatnot, or anything from Apple. Reason one is because everything else is so freaking expensive. I didn't feel like dishing out more money for a case than the actual AirTag costs. So I have my keys here. I have the Orbit key ring organizer, which is nice. I have the tile tracker here for my keys. So I'm gonna kind of do this to get rid of the tile tracker because I am no longer going to use it. So bam, that is gone. That's one less app for me to deal with. And I got this because it's easy. I could just kind of clamp that into my existing key ring. Oops, it fell out. Sorry, all right, so I'm gonna put it back in and close this up. And bam, there we go. So it's installed. So because I got this because I can just put this straight on here. I don't need another silver ring or key ring dangling around in my keys, right? I have this for simplicity, to keep everything close and least jingly as possible. But yeah, so this is my unboxing of the AirTag. It's a very simple piece of tech. Now, in regards to that giveaway, so if you want to enter the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and you also need to leave a comment below on the specifics of the giveaway of the product that you want. So what I'm going to be giving away is a dBrand skin for your phone, right? One skin for your phone. So in order to enter, again, subscribe and leave a comment on the type of skin you want from dBrand for which phone. and I'm gonna do a random picker. I'll try to record the video and upload it on YouTube so that you guys know that I'm not showing favorites or anything. And leave a like on the video as well, and I will choose a winner next Friday in a week. Yeah, so all you have to do, subscribe, leave a comment on the skin that you want for your phone, one skin, and I will pick the winner next Friday, and like this video. And guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for every additional 20 subscribers we get. So we hit the 20 subscriber mark, so we're doing a giveaway. We hit 40, 60, 80, 100. There's gonna be giveaways at every time we hit those marks going forward. And the larger the subscriber count, hopefully the larger the giveaways, right? Because I'm not doing this right now to make money. I'm not making any money off of these videos, basically. Maybe a little bit from my Amazon affiliate links, but other than that, I'm not getting any ad revenue or anything like that. I'm buying these skins for you out of my own pocket because I think I'm appreciative of you guys, and I'm thankful for you guys for subscribing. So yeah, you know what you have to do: subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. Did you get the AirTags? If you did, what are you sticking them on? Did you pre-order the iPad Pro? If you did, which one did you get? Let me know. All right, guys, thank you.